Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to review this beautiful ombre wig from Hergivenhair, and it's called the Main Squeeze Unit. All the details will be in the description box below, but I'm going to also show you guys this beautiful perm rod set that I did with this wig as well. Perfect for the summer. And so of course, this is what it looks like straight from the package. It is beautiful. I love the texture. It's very like kinky, straight blowout. You can wear it in so many different styles. And it's not a full lace closure, it's a 4x4 lace closure, but it has enough space for any party you like in the middle or on the sides. And so I co-washed it, and this is what it looked like when it's wet. And this is what it looks like the next day after it is dry. It is so gorgeous, you guys. I absolutely love the color, the length, the texture, and the density of the wig. This wig also comes with clips and an adjustable elastic band, so it really helps secure the wig on the head. And my head is really small, so I always get a small size, and I always adjust the bands to make it really fit really snug on my head so that it's very natural looking. And so this is what it's looking like, you guys. I really love this color and this style. I'm really having so much fun playing with different colors, especially with wigs, because I don't like to dye my own natural hair. And it does come with a few baby hairs, but I like to have a bit more, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some in the front. And then once I cut some baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and thin them out a little bit with some pluckers just to make the hairline look a bit more natural, and then put some gel on it and then brush them and kind of just make them look as natural as possible. I'm still working on perfecting baby hairs, you guys, but I feel like they really make the wig look much more natural. And then I'm gonna go ahead with a hot comb and kind of flatten the top part down. It is very high density, this wig, and so depending on what hairstyle you're looking for, I kind of like mine a little bit more flatter at the top. This hot comb has become so helpful in laying down my wigs, you guys. It just makes it look so much more natural. And I'm going to leave the link in the description box below on where you can find it on Amazon. I think I just paid about $30 for it, and it works very well. As you can see the difference of this wig, it just looks so much better, and it still has the volume and the texture and all that. I want to make sure I left the texture in there to make it look as natural as possible. And because this wig fits so snug onto my head, I didn't even have to lay it down with any glue or anything like that. I used it as a glueless lace wig, but you can also use glue or freeze spray or whatever you like to lay down your wig. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in some layers at the front. I usually put some layers in because my face is quite small and sometimes the wig overpowers my face, but I actually really liked it with the long layers as well. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what this hair looks like with perm rod. But I want to show you guys two different styles, you guys, just because I just love playing around with wigs so much, and it's giving my hair a well-needed break. And I'm going to show you guys actually in the next couple of videos how long my hair has been getting, just how much more healthier my hair has got over the last few months of wearing protective styles. And so yeah, wigs are very good for, you know, length retention and just giving your hair a break with low manipulation hairstyles, but also just a fun way to kind of switch up your hairstyles, you know, and to switch up your look without having to manipulate your hair so much. So here I'm going to show you guys quickly on how the perm rod set really turned out so beautifully on this wig. And if you guys want a more detailed tutorial on how I do perm rods, I do have a video on that as well on my natural hair. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys what my hair looks like, and it's so beautiful, it's so bouncy. And I am going to cut a bit more layers onto this wig for when I do more perm rod sets and flexi rods. I'm going to kind of play around with this wig, but I think it's perfect for the summer, you guys. It's nice, it's bright, it looks natural. I just love the texture of it especially, and I feel like the color really does complement my skin tone as well. protective styles have been really helping my hair so much, and in between I am taking care of my natural hair with, you know, moisturizing it and washing it and deep conditioning it. So I'm definitely not neglecting my hair, you guys. And let me know what you guys think about this wig in the comments below. I really love it. If you guys are interested in viewing this wig or purchasing it, I'm going to leave all the details of this wig in the description box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below, what have you guys been doing with your hair during quarantine? Have you guys been doing protective hairstyles? Have you guys been taking care of your natural hair? Thank you guys so much for always supporting my channel. And if you guys like my video, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share. I hope you guys are all doing well during this quarantine and this lockdown. And blessings and prayers to you and your family. See you guys in my next video. Bye.